Let's make air fryer tandoori chicken. Firstly, make tandoori masala. Start with 1 tablespoon of dried coriander and 1 tablespoon of cumin. Roast until it slightly changes its color and fragrant. Carefully roast to prevent overcooking. In the same plate, add 1/2 inch piece of mace, 1/2 inch piece of nutmeg and 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds. Grind all ingredients. Add to the plate and gather few more spices. 1/4 teaspoon of mango powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of black salt. Mix all spices. Our tandoori masala is ready. If you like, add 1/4 teaspoon of red food color, but this is optional. Now wash and dry 1 kilograms of chicken. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup of sour cream or yogurt, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of tandoori masala, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Rub the marinade on chicken. Cover and refrigerate overnight or at least 30 minutes. After marinating, place the chicken in air fryer. Cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take out and make cuts on the chicken. Now place the chicken in the air fryer one more time for 20 minutes. You can increase the cooking time if the chicken is not tender. Very delicious and healthy chicken is ready. Enjoy with your favorite naan. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.